Hi, I'm John Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. At IPC, we're committed to providing training solutions that meet trainees at their level and help build a culture of continuous learning throughout the electronics manufacturing industry. Many of you have heard about our new online course, Electronics Assembly for Operators, or EAO for short. Like most IPC products and services, this course was developed in collaboration with industry to provide truly engaging, effective, and efficient workforce training. More than 50 industry experts worked with the learning professionals at IPC to identify the required knowledge and skills, develop the content, and field test their course in their organizations. EAO is off to a great start. IPC members that have implemented EAO are reporting shorter training times, more engaged employees, and improved knowledge retention. Course participants report that the video presentations, detailed illustrations, interactive activities, and practice quizzes make it easy for them to understand and master even the most complex topics. We love that kind of feedback, but we also recognize the need for training in additional languages. To that end, the Spanish language version of the Electronics Assembly for Operators course was recently field tested by IPC members in Latin America and launched this past month. Visit IPC in Espanol for our Spanish language webpage at www.mexico.ipc.org for more information. While developing the EAO course, members of WAMA and other representatives of the cable and wire harness industry voiced a need for similar operator training. In response, IPC worked with them to develop our Wire Harness Assembly for Operators, WHO for short, training program. The WHO training course prepares trainees to identify and use the key tools, materials, and processes required to assemble quality harnesses effectively and efficiently. As with EAO, each learning module provides meaningful opportunities for students to actively engage with the content and apply what they learned in real world contexts. A WHO program will also be made available in Spanish this summer. Like all of IPC's workforce development programs, WHO is created in partnership with industry. IPC learning professionals work with wire harness industry members to design and develop materials that meet their specifically designed needs. We understand the challenges of training operators who lack industry knowledge and skills. We also understand that it can be expensive to train operators, but it is also expensive to not train them. By responding to the needs identified by industry, we have created opportunities that help employers offer training programs to benefit their staff and their bottom line. If you're interested in the EAO or WHO training programs for your team, you can start your company's trial process by visiting either of the web pages shown here.